Best way to stay ahead of the curve is listening to what the customers want, what they need. Our customers are asking us for an end solution.
As an OEM supplier, we're delivering a product to our client. They don't come and say, I want to buy a tank this size and a blower. They tell us what it needs to do. Like, I need this thing to deliver this material on time every day, and I need to be able to operate and understand the system. We succeed by partnering and solving problems for our clients.
The Rensenhouse partnership is great. One thing that they do really well for us is bringing in the newest, latest, greatest equipment, the newest, latest ideas, and bringing to us solutions.
Oh, you need someone that you can count on. You need a partner that can be that subject matter expert.
And then listening to our suppliers or Rensenhouse telling us, this is the best piece of equipment, this is the best device, this is the best component. Checks all the boxes you're trying to check off.
Automation is a huge part of what we do. We leverage the Rockwell platform. Rensenhouse offers us some training, and then they're always there for any kind of questions or support that we need.
With our knowledge of the industry, Rensenhouse's knowledge of the components, we take our industry knowledge, their component knowledge, put that together, and then supply the answer to the end user.